Welcome all. Our today's topic is expanded form. Let us first understand what is expanded form. In this form, we write the value or the place value of each digit forming that number. Let us take an example. This number is 2118. Writing any number in this form is called its number form or standard form. Next, we have learnt words form. Writing any number in this form, that is, writing its number name, is called its word form. Now, the number was 2118. So, its word form is 2118. Word form is nothing but just to write this number in it, just to write the number name of the number, that is called its word form, right? So now next form is our expanded form. Now, how are we going to write the expanded form of this number? See, our digits are 2, 1, 1, 8. 8 is at ones place, 1 is at tens place, this one is at hundred place, and this is at thousand place. So place value of 8 is 8 because this is at ones place. Of tens is 1 into 10, that is 10. So its place value is 10. So the place value of this 1 at 100 place is 1 multiplied by 100 is equals to 100. That means its place value is 100, and the place value of the digit 2, which is at thousands place, is 2000. How? By multiplying 2 by its place value. So its place value is 2000. Now we have all the place values. So how are we going to arrange it now? We will start from the number having the highest place. We will write the place value of thousands place first. So 2000 plus hundreds place value is 100, then 10, and then 8. So in this way, we have to arrange our number. And this form is called the expanded form. We can write this expanded form in two ways. Firstly, we can write these digits in their place form like this. Let us take another example. I'll explain it with another example. This is 1324. This is in its numbers form, or we can say that it is in its standard form. Coming on to this number, 4 is at ones place, so its place value is 4. 2 is at tens place, so its value is 20. 3 is at hundreds place, so its value is 300. 1 is at thousands place, so its place value is 1000. Now in expanded form, firstly write this one. 1000s plus, because 1 is at thousands place, we will always start from the highest place. 3 is at hundreds place, so 100, plus 2 tens and then 4 ones. Okay, students? And then write the second form, that is 1000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 4. Another question could also be asked from you all, that write it in the numeral form. In that, the question will be in the question, the expanded form will be given and you have to write it in its numeral form. So here is an example. 2000 means 2 is in its thousands place. So We will write 2 over here. Now 0 in 100 place the digit is 0, so we will write 0. In tens place the digit is 40, that means the digit is 4. The number is 40, sorry, and the digit is 4, so we will write 4 over here. And in ones place again the digit is 0, so 0 over here. Right, students? In this way we can solve our worksheet 5 questions. It is a small worksheet, and I am sure that this expanded form will be so interesting to you all. You will do it with all your efforts, and wherever you will face any kind of problem, do ask. Coming on to the first question now. This is 3462. You can do this question by yourself. Another is 4621. I'll go with the third example. That is this digit. This is 8001. 8001. Write its place values above it. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Now the place value, how are we going to write it? First form, 8 is at thousands place, so 8 thousands. THOUSANDS, 8 thousands. Plus 0 is at 100 place, so 0 hundreds. Zero hundred. Plus 0 is at tens place, so 0 tens. Plus 1 is at ones place, so 1 ones for this. And the second type is, now write it in the number form, 8000 plus 0 hundred, so 0 plus 0 tens 0 plus 1 ones ones. So in like this you can solve the question number first of this worksheet 5. And in the question number second also you can solve. You have to write it in the numeral form. This is 7000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. What would be the number? This is 7 is at thousands place, 3 is at 100 place, and 20, that means 2 is at tens place, and then 1 is at ones place. So this is your number. In the similar way you can solve this question number second also. Thank you, students.